Today I'm going to show you a quick demonstration of how to install this aux box into a wall joist for washing machines. But there's also options of aux boxes for bathrooms, kitchens, gas, and ice makers. And I'll walk you through those options at the end of the video. So like I said, this is for washing machines and it has two separate boxes. One is for drainage and one is for hot and cold water supplies. And this is these are shutoff valves right here. And the water supply valves have 3/4 inch male garden hose outlets, which accommodates standard washing machine connectors. So that's these right here. So these aux boxes offer more versatility because most other models combine both of these into one box. So you don't have a lot of options of where to put it. And if you stick it into the same spot, there could be a lot of piping issues where you have PVC, PEX pipe in the same spot and it makes your joist bay crowded. So with this, you can install it like this in the same spot, or you can have them separate like that, or it comes with a bar which you can install in between here like this and just have them hang off. So you have your options, you just got to pick which one you want to do. So when you go to install your outlet box for your washing machine, you probably already have your water lines in your wall. So depending on if your supply lines are coming from this way or the bottom, you can flip your aux box. So this can be oriented either way. I'm going to install it as if the water lines are coming from the bottom. So you just take this clip that comes with it and you put it to the drainage one, and then you just insert it here. It's really easy. Then you want to squeeze it a little bit so it fits on the joist, and you put it on wherever you want it to be, and then you just take a couple screws and put it in. So this box is for crimp connections for PEX tubing, but there's also sweat connections available and threaded connections. So I'm just going to put my crimp rings on and install my supply lines. These debris covers come with the aux boxes, and you can see in the completed install how nice it looks when it's done. And again, this is 1/4 inch ball valves right here for shutting off the supply lines. These are 1/2 inch tubing connections, and this is crimp. And then the knockout drain is 2-inch PVC pipe. So when you're ready to install your washing machine, just locate your inlet lines on the back of the machine and connect them right here, and do the same with your drainage line right here. And if you want to add these color indicators to the valves so you don't forget which is the hot and cold supply lines, you can do that. This comes with the box. There's also an option with built-in water hammer arrestors, and you'd install it exactly like I showed you with this box. If you're looking to install this and want technical specifications, you can pause now and read through this. You can check our site, PEXUniverse.com, to find the right outlet box for your installation. This is the Icemaker outlet box, and it has a single box with a 1/4 inch outside diameter compression valve, allowing to connect a 1/4 inch copper or plastic piping directly from the refrigerator. This is a toilet or dishwasher outlet box, and it has a similar configuration except for the valve, which is 3/8 of an inch OD compression. Bathroom outlet boxes consist of a single box with two 3/8 inch OD compression outlet valves, and is designed for installation in bathrooms to provide hot and cold water supply to sinks and bidets. Gas outlet boxes include a 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch threaded CSA approved angle gas ball valve, and is the best solution available on the market for installation of gas appliances such as kitchen gas stoves. All these aux boxes I just showed you are made in the US, and they come in PEX, sweat, or threaded connections, so you can choose which one you want. And they also, the majority of them come with the option to have water hammer arrestors built in. And if you want to know the significance of water hammer arrestors, you can check out my other video on this. And as always, like the video and subscribe to the channel for all of our videos.